Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to use SendIt app on Snapchat. So first of all you need to update both versions of app. Then I'm going to click on SendIt app. Now click on let's go and it will be redirected to Snapchat. So wait for few seconds. So here you can click on continue. You can also select this option. Now here you can see it will take some time to connect. Now if you allow your contacts simply, so now click on share. Now click on OK. Now again click on continue. Click on continue. So in this way you can use SendIt